Mergansers, they got a big hood on them.
Look at that.
A common merganser hen.
Look at that head. Beautiful bird.
It's a gorgeous bird.
Hey, watch these geese. Get your guns ready. Here we go. Let them get right over you. Now, the babe scores.
Well, the proof right there is better to be lucky than good.
Ooh, look at this big flock.
Right in front.
Yeah, see him, Carly? Let him get closer. Oh, a black mallard! This girl right here is the luckiest girl in the duck camp. She got a common merganser, and now she's killed a black mallard. Now, black mallards are rare and hard to come by, but she did it.
Love that. I'm so proud of you always. Oh, we got geese coming off the left here.
Carly, here you go. Carly.
Get him, Carter, get him,
I don't
shoot him.
have.
Here, shoot him with this gun.
Hurry up.
Hurry up,
Let's go to the
take
air.
your time, you got one shot.
Good shot. Good shot.
Okay.
Woo! Give me my gun back. You're making us look bad. Two sawbills. Here they come. Canvas backs. Get them. Yeah! Woo! Canvas backs bulls. Wow!